Delhi District Court SH. Suhas Taneja vs State on the 5th of August 2022. In the Court of SH. Arun Kumar Garg, Additional District Judge -05, Central District, Tis Hazari Courts, Delhi. PC No. 04/20. 1. SH. Suhas Taneja S. OSH. Vinay Kumar Taneng. 2. Miss. Shruti Taneja D. OSH. Vinay Kumar Taneja. Both are OR-579, first floor, New Rajendra Nagar, New Delhi -110,060. Petitioners versus State Govt. of NCT of Delhi. Respondent. Date of institution of petition, the 6th of February 2019. Date of pronouncement of judgment, the 5th of August 2022. Petition under Section 276 of the Indian Succession ACT for grant of probate in respect of the will dated the 9th of May 2015 executed by Shri Hardam Lal son of late SH. Panna Lal. Judgment. 1. By this judgment, I will dispose of the present probate petition filed PC No. 04/20 Suhas Taneja and ANR. vs. State by the petitioners seeking probate in respect of will dated the 9th of May 2015 purportedly executed by SH. Hardam Lal son of late SH. Panna Lal in their favor. The present petition has been filed by the petitioners on the 6th of February 2020, which is not only duly verified by both the petitioners in terms of provision of Section 280 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925, but has also been verified by one of attesting witnesses to the aforesaid will, viz. SH. Avinash Arora, as per provisions of Section 281 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925. Although, all the requisite averments in terms of provisions of Sections 278 and 279 have been made in the present petition, however, no statement in terms of Section 276, 1a, of the Indian Succession Act, 1925 has been made in the petition. 2. Brief case of the petitioners, as per the petition, is that late SH. Hardam Lal son of late SH. Panna Lal, maternal grandfather of the petitioners, executed the will dated the 9th of May 2015 bequeathing his immovable property bearing No. 4D, 57, Old Rajendra Nagar, New Delhi -110060 to the petitioners in equal share, and the same was duly attested by the attesting witnesses. It has further been alleged in the petition that the testator was in sound and disposing mind at the time of execution of the said SH. Suhas Taneja vs State on the 5th of August 2022. Indian Qanun, web links one will and has executed the said will voluntarily. As per averments made in the petition, the testator had expired on the 30th of November 2016, leaving behind his wife SMT. Subhash Kumari and two petitioners, being the children of pre-deceased daughter of the testator. It has further been alleged in the petition that the only son of the testator, namely SH. Anil Kumar Arora, has pre-deceased the testator, having died on the 29th of May 1994, leaving behind his wife Ms. Amrita, who had already remarried before the PC number 04/20 Suhas Taneja and ANR. vs. State death of the testator. Wife of the testator, namely SMT. Subhash Kumari, as per the petitioners, had expired on the 8th of January 2020, and thus, according to the petitioners, there are no Rs of the testator except the petitioners. 3. After death of the testator, according to the petitioners, they are the only beneficiaries in respect of the property No. 4D, 57, Old Rajendra Nagar, New Delhi -110,060, which has devolved upon them by operation of will dated the 9th of May 2015. As per the petitioners, the aforesaid will dated the 9th of May 2015 is the last will of the testator and they have not filed any other identical petition in respect of aforesaid immovable property on the basis of aforesaid will in any court of India. Since, according to them, the last place of abode of deceased testator was within the jurisdiction of this court has the jurisdiction to entertain the present petition, and since there is no legal impediment from debarring the petitioners from grant of probate in respect of the aforesaid will, they have prayed for grant of probate in respect of will dated the 9th of May 2015 purportedly executed by late S.H. Hardam Lal in respect of property bearing no. 4D, 57, Old Rajendra Nagar, New Delhi -110,060 in their favor. Aforesaid petition is accompanied original will dated the 9th of May 2015 and copy of death certificates of deceased testator, his pre-deceased son and daughter and wife of the testator, besides, copy of conveyance deed in respect of subject property in favor of the testator. 4. Citation in terms of Section 283 of the Indian Succession Act was directed to be published in newspaper, Rashtriya Sahara, calling upon all the persons claiming interest in the estate of deceased testator to come and see proceedings and file objections before grant of probate vide order PC No. 04, 20 Suhas Taneja and ANR. V.S. State dated the 24th of February 2020. Citation was also directed to be displayed on the notice board of the collector, SDM concerned. Subsequently, on the application of the petitioner, citation was directed to be published in Hindi newspaper, Rashtriya Sahara, and English newspaper, The Statesman, vide order dated the 3rd of March 2020. As per material available on record, citation was duly published in the newspaper, The Statesman, dated the 8th of May 2020 and Rashtriya Sahara, dated the 9th of March 2020. The citation has also been published on the notice board of this court on the 29th of February 2020 and on the notice board of the office of SDM, Karol Bagh on the 2nd of March 2020. No objections, however, to the present petition have been received in the present case despite expiry of sufficient period from the date of publication of citation. The petitioner No. 2 has, thereafter, examined herself as PW-1 in support of averments made in the petition and has tendered her evidence by way of affidavit X. PW-1, A along with the following documents. I. X. PW-1/1, OSR, photocopy of power of attorney dated the 6th of February 2020 executed by petitioner No. 1 in favor of petitioner No. 2. E. X. PW-1/2, OSR, copy of lease deed dated the 16th of January 1964 in respect of the subject property in the name of the testator. S.H. Suhas Taneja vs. State on the 5th of August 2022. Indian Qanun, web links 2E, X. PW-1/3, OSR, copy of conveyance deed dated the 26th of April 1995 in respect of the subject property in the name of the testator. IV, X. PW-1 quarter, copy of death certificate of Anil Kumar Arora downloaded from website of MCD. V, X. PW-1 5th, copy of death certificate of SMT. Nina Taneja downloaded from website of MCD. PC No. 04, 20 Suhas Taneja and ANR. V.S. State. V. X. PW-1 6th, copy of death certificate of S.H. Hardam Lal downloaded from website of MCD. V. X. PW-1 7th, copy of death certificate of SMT. Subhash Kumari downloaded from website of MCD. V. X. PW-1 8th, original will of S.H. Hardam Lal dated the 9th of May 2015. X. X. PW-1 9th, copy of Aadhaar card of petitioner number 1. X. X. PW 1/10th, copy of PAN card of petitioner number 1. She, X. PW 1/11th, copy of Aadhaar card of petitioner number 2. Zai, X. PW 1/12th, copy of PAN card of petitioner number 2. Zai, X. PW 1B, Affidavit U.S. 65-B of Indian Evidence Act with respect to death certificates downloaded from website of MCD. 5. Besides, one of the attesting witnesses to the will, namely S.H. Vinay Kumar Taneja, who is also the father of the petitioners, has also been examined by the petitioners as PW-2. PW-2 has tendered his evidence by way of Affidavit X. PW-2A. Another attesting witness to the will, namely S.H. Avinash Arora, who had also verified the present petition in terms of Section 281 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925, could not be examined by the petitioners in their evidence as he had reportedly expired during pendency of the present petition on the 29th of May 2021, and copy of his death certificate is already on record. 6. No other witness has been examined by the petitioners in support of their case. Subsequently, on a statement of the petitioner No. 2, who is also the attorney of the petitioner No. 1, as per Special Power of Attorney X. PW 1/1, petitioner's evidence was closed vide order dated the 15th of December 2021. PC No. 04, 20 Suhas Taneja and ANR. Vs. State since no objections had been received in the present petition, the matter was adjourned for final arguments. 7. Final arguments have accordingly been heard on the 30th of July 2022. It is submitted by LD. Counsel for the petitioners that since the petitioners have been able to prove the will dated the 9th of May 2015 of late S.H. Suhas Taneja vs State on the 5th of August 2022. Indian Qanun, Web Links 3 S.H. Hardam Lal in their favor through examination of one of the attesting witnesses to the will X. PW 1/8 and the fact that not only the testator at that time was residing within the jurisdiction of this court but even the property which is subject matter of the aforesaid will is situated within the jurisdiction of this court, there is no impediment in grant of probate by this court in respect of the will X. PW 1/8, in favor of the petitioners herein, who are the sole beneficiaries under the will. 8. I have heard the submissions made on behalf of the petitioners and have also carefully perused the material available on record. It has already been observed herein above that the present petition, filed by the petitioners making requisite averments as per provisions of 278 and 279 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925, is conspicuously silent about the statement required in terms of Section 276, 1a, of the Indian Succession Act, 1925. It has further been observed herein above that the petition has been signed and verified not only by the petitioners but the same has also been verified by one of the attesting witnesses to the will in terms of Section 281 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925. Considering the fact that the petitioners, through the uncontroverted testimony of PW-1, have been able to prove that the deceased testator, at the time of his death, was having his fixed place of abode within the jurisdiction of this court and PC No. 04, 20 Suhas Taneja and ANR. Vs. State even the property, which is the subject matter of the will, is also situated within the jurisdiction of this court. In my considered opinion, this court has jurisdiction to grant probate, letters of administration with will annexed in respect of the will, a state which is the subject matter of the will in question. 9. PW-2 is one of the attesting witnesses to the will and has proved due execution of the will by the testator S.H. Hardam Lal in terms of Section 63 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925 and Section 68 of the Indian Registration Act, 1908, inasmuch as he has categorically deposed that S.H. Hardam Lal had signed the will dated the 9th of May 2015 out of his own free will, accord and without any pressure, in his presence and in the presence of another witness, namely S.H. Avinash Arora, and the witnesses had affixed their signatures in the presence of the testator as well as another witness after contents of the will were read over to S.H. Hardam Lal, who was in sound mind at the time of execution of the will dated the 9th of May 2015. Under the aforesaid circumstances, in my considered opinion, the will has been duly proved as per the applicable rules of evidence and as per evidence led on behalf of the petitioners. The same is the last will of the deceased S.H. Hardam Lal. 10. As has already been observed hereinabove, the petitioners in the present petition have prayed for grant of probate in respect of will of S.H. Hardam Lal in their favor. However, considering the fact that they are merely the beneficiaries and not the executors appointed by the testator S.H. Hardam Lal under the will dated the 9th of May 2015, in view of provisions of Section 222 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925, no probate qua the will in PC No. 04, 20 Suhas Taneja and ANR. vs. State question can be granted in favor of the petitioners. However, they being the beneficiaries under the will, whereunder no executor had been appointed by the testator, having proved the will dated the 9th of May 2015 as per applicable rules of evidence, and the petition being in compliance with the provisions of Section 278 to 281 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925, they are entitled to grant of letters of administration with will annexed qua the estate of the deceased testator as per the will dated the 9th of May 2015. S.H. Suhas Taneja vs. State on the 5th of August 2022. Indian Qanun, Web Links 411. In view of the aforesaid discussion, I hereby order that the letters of administration of the estate of deceased S.H. Hardam Lal, with will dated the 9th of May 2015 annexed, be granted to the petitioners in form provided under Schedule 7 of the Indian Succession Act, 1925 under the seal of this court, subject to their furnishing administration bond with surety, sureties in terms of Section 291 of the Indian Succession Act in form number 180 of Volume 6A of Delhi High Court Rules and payment of requisite court fee as per valuation report received from Executive Magistrate, Karol Bagh on the 26th of October 2020 within 3 months from today. The original will be filed and preserved as per rules in terms of Section 294 of Indian Succession Act 1925. 12. Ordered accordingly. Arun by Arun. Announced in the open court on this 5th day of August, 2022. Kumar date. This judgment consists of 8 number of signed pages. Arun Kumar Garg, Additional District Judge -05, Central District, Tis Hazari Courts, Delhi. PC No. 04, 20 Suhas Taneja and ANR. vs. State. S.H. Suhas Taneja vs. State on the 5th of August 2022. Indian Qanun, Web Links 5.